Good day, Sir Kyle. I am Prince Villabar Lagdatan from BPED 1.3, and today I will be presenting my infographic about Sustainable Development Goal 1, No Poverty established by United Nations. So, SDG 1 or Sustainable Development Goal focuses on ending poverty in all its form everywhere. So, poverty is not just about having low income. It also means limited access to basic needs such as foods, shelter, healthcare, education, and equal opportunities. So even today, millions of people around the world continue to live in extreme poverty, affecting their overall well-being and dignity. So this issue matters because poverty creates a long-term barriers. So children may stop schooling early due to financial difficulties. Families may experience hunger and poor health conditions. And communities with limited resources often face inequality and fewer opportunities for growth. So these challenges vary across cultures and countries, which is why solutions must be inclusive, culturally aware, and responsive to different social realities. So as a BPED student and future physical education professional, SDG 1 is relevant to our field. Not all learners have the same access to sport equipment, proper nutrition, or safe facilities. Socio-economic differences can affect participation, confidence, and performance in physical activities. So as future educators, we have the responsibility to create inclusive environments where all students feel respected, supported, and empowered regardless of their background. So we can also contribute beyond the classroom by supporting community outreach programs, avoiding food waste, promoting awareness, and encouraging equal opportunities in sports and education. So, in conclusion, ending poverty requires cooperation, fairness, and shared commitment. Through inclusive education and responsible action, we can help create communities where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Thank you, Sir Kyle.